This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to turn off Google Chrome notifications. So those annoying site notifications that you get on Google Chrome if you've accidentally signed up to something on a website, what you can do is you can come up to the very top and we're going to click on Chrome. So just to the left of File, we see Chrome. We're going to click on Settings. Now we've got the main settings open here. You want to consult with this sidebar right here and click on Privacy and Security. Privacy and Security open at the bottom. We click on Site Settings. Now in the middle, you'll see notifications. So you've got permissions, and it should be about in the middle of your screen, notifications where we can collapse unwanted requests. So we click on that, and now by default, the default behavior will be that sites can send notifications. So you see those pop up sometimes in the top left. If you want to just stop that, you can click on this bell icon right here for don't allow sites to send notifications, the bell crossed out. And as the default behavior says here, sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. Now there's nothing to click save or anything at the bottom. When you click that, those changes will take place in your Google Chrome. If they don't, you might need to quit out of Chrome and restart, but they should automatically start abiding by these settings that you set here. So that was how to turn off notifications in Google Chrome. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.